So, thank you guys for this awesome mail pile we have here. So we wanted to be sure to open this and say thank you as we open each package and box, okay? All right, so first up, we have a box from Jen McCarty, and Jen sent me an email explaining a couple of things, okay? So we've cut them open, but we haven't really looked at them yet. All right, so in here, Jen says about 20 minutes from me is a place called Ale 81 Bottling Company. They are known most for a soft drink. They also make salsa and barbecue sauce. My son's homeschool group took a tour of the company about a month ago, so I picked up something from there. I also sent you a can of the soft drink called Ale 81.
Oh, wow.
Or Alate 1. It's kind of like ginger ale. Okay, so Jen told me this was coming, so I did take it out of the box, put it in the refrigerator, but we haven't opened it. Grab those cups.
The original, a late one, Ale 8 soft drink, established 1926, 120 calories per can. And would you like to do the honors?
Well, I was just gonna show what the can looks like.
It's a very pretty.
You know what one of the best sounds in the world is? Hold on.
That is a great sound.
Yeah.
ASMR.
No.
Cheers.
Now it's kind of got that ginger ale color, a little yellow. Cheers.
Tastes nice.
Here's to Jenny. It's actually pretty good. It's carbonated, obviously, and it's got like a vanilla, creamy.
Yeah.
It's like a creamy kind of ginger ale, bubbly soda.
That's different.
I bet that would go good with some cocktails, man. It'd be good.
All right, so also from the same company.
Very different.
Ale8 or Alate. It's some barbecue sauce. Camera, why don't you show the camera that one?
Yeah, that's like a cream soda. It's like a cream soda and ginger ale mix.
Ooh, a Kentucky bourbon magnet. That's cool. Show the camera that one. And then we've got 3 candy bars. Blue Mountain Sweets milk chocolate. Blue Mountain Sweets Ruth Hunt candy. And Blue Monday mints. Okay, so we know he's gonna want that one. So go ahead and open that one.
Here's a milk chocolate one.
You open that one.
And here
Question,
is...
how tough? Ooh, it's green mint. How tough?
Open it up.
And Elisa can try that one.
I'll suck on it.
So
I'm Mr. Sourpuss, you know, can't try all this stuff. I may try some.
I'm trying the
Ooh,
Ruth
it smells
Hunt
like
candy.
a York. It smells like a York peppermint.
It's got that green mint flavor.
Smell it.
God, it smells just like a York patty, peppermint patty. And that's the, obviously the mint.
It's very soft.
Oh, that's good. It's like a creamy feeling.
It smells like a York peppermint patty.
Yeah. Okay. And what this reminds me of is when you get the Russell Stover's chocolates with the different creamy fillings. That's what this tastes like. Thanks, Jen. That was an awesome box of goodies.
Thanks, Jen. Thank you very much for thinking about us and sending us that cool gift. We appreciate it. Everything you guys send us, we really take to heart. We really appreciate it.
We really
very
do.
much eat this.
That's why we didn't just open these boxes. We wanted to open this and share our reaction.
You take the time to go get it and send it to us. We're going to take the time to unbox it and give our thanks back and appreciation back, okay?
Okay, this next box is from Justin Mays from Franklin, Indiana.
Ooh, Indiana.
Ooh, I see a mug.
That's a big one. That's a big old mug.
One of my favorite types of mugs.
Oh, it's from the Carnival Triumph.
Whoa!
That's awesome. Okay, so this was our first ever cruise ship.
And we did not get anything with the Triumph.
And the Triumph is no longer. So thank you, Justin. And wow. And the magnet! Wow. Yay! So now we have, we're working on
Somebody must have been
collection. Thank you so
That was
much.
a major score, man. Appreciate that.
Yes. Justin, that was awesome. Thank you.
We have been wanting that for so long, and we regret not getting anything. But it was our first cruise. We were overwhelmed with just getting to go, and we didn't think about picking something up for it, you know?
Yep. Ah, so excited.
Cool.
Mom.
Awesome.
I thought you opened all the boxes.
Well, I started.
All right, so this box is from Tracy Reid from Torrington, Connecticut. Oh.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Chocolate bars!
Oh, chocolate bars.
Dark chocolate.
Those are good
Munson's chocolate. So there's milk chocolate almond, crisp milk chocolate, and there's 2 of each.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Those remind me of those chocolate bars that the kids come around your house and sell.
That's what they look like.
The big bars.
Yeah, like a world's finest chocolate.
Yes, they are like world's finest chocolate.
Chris.
Hey, dear Jason, Elisa, EECC, I hope this letter and package find y'all in good health and happy times. My husband, Dave, Super Dave, is referred to by Jason in your Q&A video. Found your channel about 8 months ago. We are celebrating our 10th wedding anniversary this year and decided to try cruising for the first time. A lot of our family and friends joked with us and told us cruises were for senior citizens and that we'd be bored. Wrong.
Negative ghostwriter.
Naturally, since we didn't have a clue what to expect, we turned to our faithful YouTube. I watched several videos by other creators, some that were not narrated, some that were, and then I came across your channel. From the very first video I watched, I felt like I was watching an old family friend. Your style of video is so familiar and comfortable, I was immediately hooked. I love how you are literally just a family out there for the world to see, and you seem completely at ease and natural about it. My husband was hooked the first time Jason threw up a rock fist. LOL, he's a musician as well. I love listening to you giggle at Jason's antics. We laugh right along with you. As with any new experience, we were anxious and unsure, but I can honestly tell you that your videos have put us at ease. I really do feel like we have a vast understanding of the goings-on, and we have you guys to thank for that. I often see you guys representing your hometown, and we up north are very proud of our local companies. So I sent you a little bit of my hometown pride as well.
Oh,
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Super Dave. Appreciate it, man.
Tracy and Dave Reid. So we've got these bars. Okay, hold on. This has got Jason's name on it.
Uh-oh.
And this has my name on it.
Get some chocolates for me and my brother.
And the chocolates are for you guys.
Oh, word up. Man, Super Dave, you outdone yourself, my friend. So, let me get up and see if I can show you guys what Super Dave sent us. You know, I play music, so we got us a guitar pick here with our picture on it. And I don't know how well that's going to show up, but we'll do our best. Anyway, my picture's on there, and Elisa's picture is on there. And that is just totally cool, little guitar pick, along with these little leather, is this like a leather pick holder?
Oh, I bet
Dave?
it is.
Dude, that's totally awesome. Man, thank you so much. Oh, and look on the back. It says Elisa, Heart, Jason.
Aww.
That's awesome, man. Thank you.
I love that.
See it? Look.
Oh my gosh.
Look, it's like a little leather pick holder, and you can put it on your key chain.
That's the coolest thing.
Perfect for you, Dad.
That's very cool, man. Well thought out, and that was very nice.
Wow.
Yeah, thank you.
And this, okay, so this is a pearl. Okay, so here is an oyster, a shrink wrapped oyster. We're fixing to open that, and then here's the setting. It's a little anchor, and then the pearl goes in here. So, Jason, can you grab some scissors? I think we need scissors.
Well, yes, I can.
All right, so it says how to open your oyster. So, okay, so here's the oyster. Ew, it's gooey. Oh, there's the pearl.
Oh, there's a pearl in there?
Yeah. There it is. You see it? That is so cool. So then you take the pearl and you put it in the
necklace.
In the necklace.
Well, I'll be dang.
So here's the pearl out of the oyster and into the necklace. It is absolutely beautiful. Thank you. So we have a note from Rachael Hall. Rachael is from Paragould, Arkansas.
I look like I'm like 2 foot tall way back here. I'm just way back here. I'm short, but not that short.
Thank you for helping me with my Norwegian cruise. Thank you for all of your and Jason's videos. Blessings, Rachael Hall and James Pickney. And there's a little surprise in the envelope too. Thank you so much, Rachael. That's
Thank you,
appreciated.
Rachael. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Whoops. All right, one of you guys grab a package and tear it open. All right, so this is from Christine Hegwood. Don't open it, but just get it ready. You know what I mean?
Our opening present, or not presents, but our unboxing mail isn't the most elegant and organized. So you know, we're just doing this on the fly, as if you know we were doing it by ourselves. So don't judge us on our lack of organization doing this.
Yeah, we're new at unboxing. This is our only second one.
Okay, from Christine. Hope you enjoy the ring. It's actually a size 7, not a 6, but still tight on my hand. Hopefully you will get more use from it than I was able to. And Christine told me about this. Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, is that that's a Mickey?
It's a Mickey ring. Oh, it fits perfect. Let me go show. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. It's a Mickey and it fits my hand absolutely perfect. Thank you, Christine. I love me some Mickey. Y'all know that.
Mickey bling bling.
Okay, this package is from Bryan and Jessica. And I knew this was coming too. This is for Jason.
Uh-oh. Oh no, what is this? Cashew chicken sauce mix from Springfield, Missouri. Hop Sing. Man. Is that what's actually in here? Or is there like...
Yeah.
Oh, this is like
seasoning.
Yeah, this is like a bouillon or consomme, or not consomme, but yeah, this is a seasoning spice.
Can you smell?
Whew.
Man.
Mm.
Thank you,
Cashew
guys.
chicken. I will use this. I will use that.
Ooh.
All right, this next package is from Leigh Ethertingon, all the way from Australia.
How you doing, mate?
Good night, mate.
So we have an Australian postcard.
Cheers, mate.
Pass that over.
Pass the camera.
Pass that over.
The dog's trying to get my...
Excuse the shakiness.
Cameron's obviously very wiry today.
No, it's 'cause I
Easy.
have a weak balance.
Thanks, Lee. That is so cool. So, back at Christmas, we were talking about sharing a bit of your culture, and that's what a lot of you guys are doing with us, and we appreciate that. We love seeing where you live, things about your home, and I love this Australian postcard. That's so cool.
Absolutely. Thank you guys.
Thanks, Lee.
Thanks, Lee.
Thanks.
This is from Karin LaBuda, and I'm sorry if I said that wrong, from Nashville, Tennessee.
Oh man, I'm so crushed.
Goo Goo Clusters. Show the camera that. Oh, I see another magnet. Nashville, Music City.
That's cool. I like that magnet.
Looks like an old western.
Goo Goo.
poster.
Goo Goo dolls come to mind when I hear that name. Goo Goo.
Let's open one up. Oh, let's not open all of them. Let's just share one because they're big.
Okay.
You can just.
It's like a giant turtle sort of.
Oh, caramel.
Oh, well, the boys just got braces.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
And it's got nuts in it and caramel, so it's a no-go for those guys, unfortunately.
But guess what? Mom can eat it.
Mom can eat
Y'all
it.
are Mom, you're evil.
I don't have braces yet.
Monster.
We're getting them next month.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's gonna be
more in
weird.
depth what they look like.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tastes like a turtle. Sort of.
But with peanuts instead of pecans.
Full of peanuts instead of pecans.
Last box. This is from Ryan Curtis. Oh.
Hey, Pocky Way.
Pocky.
Pocky. We've had Pocky before. We love Pocky.
Yes.
Oh, banana one.
So Ryan had told me that he was sending these. Here's a picture of Ryan and his family. So we had some Pockies in our munch pack. And we really enjoyed the Pockies. And he said that he was in his grocery store and found a variety of Pockies and sent us some to try.
Right.
So I've got cookies and cream Pocky. What kind do you have?
Strawberries and cream.
What do you expect?
Strawberry?
Strawberry.
You just open the. Let's try one of each.
That's the same one as mom has.
Cookies and cream. Yeah, that is the.
Oh, that's strawberry.
Oh, that smells really good. You know what that smells like? It smells like strawberry Nesquik.
It does.
It does. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Those are good.
Is it good, guys? Does it taste like the Nesquik? Oh yeah, be careful. It got braces.
No, my teeth are sensitive.
Yeah, go way back in the back. Molars.
Stupid.
Don't do that hard.
So mine is, it's like a backwards Pocky, where instead of it all being the breadstick, it's on the outside.
Oh, so the chocolate's in the middle of that one.
Yeah, these are good.
Dab.
Oh, chocolate-filled Pocky.
Nice. That's not a
Interesting.
Pocky.
Oh, it's not a Pocky.
That's
okay.
P-Joy.
P-Joy.
Hey,
Hey, where's P-Joy from?
Oh, France.
No. Thailand.
Thailand.
It took me a second. So these are P-Joys, and they're from Thailand, and Pockies are from, oh, it says Thailand too. Why did I think Pockies were Japanese?
Because you thought I was going to get them from
Well, I guess
Japanese
we
store.
find them in the Asian section of the grocery store, and we just assumed they were Japanese, but they're Thai. They're from Thailand.
Yeah.
The more you know.
The more you know. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for these awesome gifts. We really do appreciate it. We love absolutely everything that you guys have sent us.
No doubt. Thank y'all very much for taking the time out of your day and package this stuff up and send it to us. We appreciate it so very much. And when we get some more mail, if we get some more mail, we'll continue to do the same thing and unbox it. Hopefully, we'll get a little smoother, organized at it, but just bear with us until we do. We're really not sure how to do this yet.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you guys again, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.